everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Kidzoba Care. Today we have Jingle Shah with us. She is a certified teacher who groom couple with parenthood and childcare. So she's gonna come and give us some tips about how we should take care of our child, or if we are planning babies, what exactly we should really deal with. So let's welcome Jingle and start questioning her. Hi Jingle.
Hi, Tashu. How are we doing?
Great. Thank you, Jingle, for coming here and sparing some precious time of yours.
Oh, welcome, Tashu.
Okay, first question, because I got a detail about you that you, groom parents with kids, and if you're planning for a baby, then they come to you, they take your advice. So first question, what is parenthood?
See, when the parents do come to know when they are going to get a baby, I think it's the most joyous moment in their life. So I think putting all the inhibitions, all their frights, all their worries aside, I think every parent should really enjoy that moment.
Okay.
Not only from the 9 months, but even after that, before that, the whole planning, the whole conceiving part, and the 9 months of care that the wife has to go through.
Exactly.
It's not only the wife that goes through it, or the mother-to-be goes through it.
It's the entire family.
It's the entire family,
Correct.
which makes the whole thing like perfect, and then the parents get to look forward to the whole thing.
Correct.
Rather than making it like a burden or a cumbersome event, oh my God, or anything like that, they should make it like a fun, enjoyable thing. Because something they're going to invite in this world,
Exactly.
which is going to be a part of their own life,
Exactly.
so
it's like a combined efforts from everyone, and of course you have to enjoy, you have to go through pain, you have to work hard and everything. So that is all parenthood is all about.
completely, because we are living in an Indian society.
Correct.
We are not living in the Western culture,
Correct.
where it's only husband, wife, or even single parents.
Absolutely.
Though these trends are catching up now. But considering that we are still living in a new joint family, we have grandparents, we have uncle, aunties, we have cousins,
Exactly.
we have such extended families. So the contribution of every member towards that mother and the new child,
Correct.
the acceptance towards that is very important.
Is very, very important.
Very important. Not only the father, not only the mother,
Correct.
everyone.
I mean, like, generally, especially females who give birth for the first time,
Correct.
they're very scared, they're very nervous, and
Right.
of course, there's a sense of fear, and they have couple of beliefs, oh, this will happen, oh, that will happen. So what do you have to say about that? Because, there are a lot of ladies out there who will be probably delivering for the first time.
Correct.
And you need to motivate them, you need to tell them this is right, you should actually forget all these things. So
Right.
please, if you can cheer them up and give them some strength.
Oh, the young mothers who have conceived, like if their plan is, of course, they're mentally prepared. But sometimes when it happens by mistake or anything,
Correct.
it's something which brings about a lot of body changes,
Okay.
internal changes, physically, mentally.
Okay.
A lot of changes demands from either side. You have to put in more effort,
Okay.
because you have to care much more about yourself than rather what used to be carefree yourself earlier.
Correct.
So, but as a whole thing, nowadays everything is so easily available. There's so many websites, there's so many information available.
Correct.
Outside in the market, and as well as so much family support is there, that the young mothers don't have to worry about anything, rather enjoy those 9 months and come out and just completely have a great time with it.
And what is your stand about upbringing of a kid? Like, do you believe in the Indian culture, like the typical culture of the way we actually were groomed, and
Yeah,
our
that
kids
is-
will get groomed,
Exactly.
or the Western culture?
No, as I just mentioned, we're still living in Indian society with families and everything. So I think by accepting that and getting into the whole Indian culture and Western, getting into the division of all those,
Correct.
rather you accept what you have in your surroundings.
Correct.
That's always why, because every household, even in India, is different.
Okay.
Nowadays, even the young mothers, rather than having inhibitions about things, rather go out, take advice. The people, loads of people outside, a lot of people to give you the right advice.
Correct.
There are a lot of professional people into this line as well.
Exactly.
So you can take help of all of them, rather than just hunting into the dark, which is not the thing, which is a very thing of the past now.
Exactly.
Those
days are gone.
Yeah, totally. So now there's so much information available. Take that, read yourself up, upgrade yourself up to everything, get yourself to the power of to be a mother.
Correct.
And now when you're in it, you have to be mentally ready for such a thing. So there are even classes for this, which, grooms you, gets you ready mentally, physically, in every way.
Exactly.
And it's for husband, wife, grandparents, everybody can take
Even
part in these
grandparents?
classes. Oh yes.
Oh.
There are a lot of all these, classes which they take you on one-on-one basis. They even give you counseling.
Correct.
So it's so helpful. Nowadays it's no more the thing that where you have to sit at home for those 9 months, not do any work,
So according to
completely.
you, like when these classes happen, these grooming sessions happen.
Correct.
So it should not only be for the mother. Husband should equally participate
Oh
in
yes,
it.
husband is equally and completely a part of this whole 9
So
months.
they should definitely sneak time out
Oh,
from
yes.
the busy schedule and
that's-
participate
yes,
in
definitely. They have to, because they are equally now no more. It's like where they just go to work, get in the money, and
Exactly.
the wife has to sit at home.
Correct.
They both are working parents. They both have to equally have every rights in the full decision of the baby.
Correct.
And every way.
Exactly.
So it's more important the father has to be a part of it. It gives a lot of support emotionally to the mother.
Correct.
When your husband is always around.
Correct.
And that's the reason that a lot of these classes and all these counseling sessions which they provide in the evening.
Correct.
So where the husband
Can
do not need to
participate.
leave work and come in specially for this.
Exactly.
And I think nowadays the companies are in fact giving so much of leeway, for parents who are expecting or new parents.
Correct.
That, from working hours, the times, the flexibility in times, the schedules, they are giving all this, a whole way like the way Western culture is.
Exactly.
So we are taking in all the positive things of the Western culture.
Correct.
As well as we luckily have the entire family,
Very true.
which is the Indian part of it. So I think we're
Exactly.
having a best of blends of both the worlds.
Exactly.
And
And when you talk about families, like according to you, what kind of relationship a child should share with his family and like distant relatives and close ones? Like according to you, what should be the exact
I
relationship?
think that's completely the parents' call, depending on their relation with every person.
Okay.
And there is no need to burden the child or burden themselves, because everybody looks forward to a child. A child brings untold, stories and joy, and it's a complete different, scenario and a surrounding when a child comes into the house. Every parent, every uncle, every aunt, every cousin has some way of greeting that child. Rather, we take it everything very positively, which will help not only the parents, but even the child to blend into the family.
Exactly.
Rather than having a lot of fussing and a lot of ifs and buts and no's and do's and don'ts. Rather just go with the flow, enjoy everything, because everybody is here to give well wishes to the child.
Exactly. Jingle,
So-
this sounding really interesting to me. I mean,
Yes.
like, it gives me little goosebumps and curiosity too that what happens next.
Oh, yeah,
but I
sure.
guess for that, we'll have to wait a little more.
Surely, thank you.
It's a very interesting conversation that I'm having with Jingle right now. She's grooming all of us, and of course, she's avoiding all these things that were there in our head, the disbeliefs about the family, about the kids, about parenting. So I guess we all should get prepared and ask some more questions. But for all those questions, you need to watch the next video. So wait and watch the next video with Jingle. Thank you.